In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Castlery promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Castlery promo codes. Right here, the very first option should be this one, which is couponfollow.com. And if you open this website, you should be able to see this list with different type of promo codes and deals that you can choose from. And for example, if you want to get a free shipping, all you have to do is select this button right here, which is get this deal, and then proceed. And you should be redirected to their website where the discount, basically the promo code should be automatically applied. So uh, all you have to do is just select continue to this offer, and you will be redirected to the website, and the promo code will be applied. Also, you can go back to your main search right here on Google, and as you can see, there are other websites that you can choose from. And for example, you can go to simplycodes.com, and right here, for example, if you want to get this 10% off, all you have to do is just copy this promo code right here and use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.